There's so much money folded inside this wallet. This money is going to be all mine.
My wallet is gone. I cannot find it anywhere.
That is a very serious thing to claim.
That boy needs to return my money right now.
I promise I never took anyone's money at all. Look! There's a black wallet on the ground. It has a photo and an ID card inside. Careful, Leo. That belongs to... There's so much money folded inside this wallet. Someone must be looking for this right now. We should take this straight to the police station. Wait, we're leaving for Grandma's house very soon. I will come back here in exactly 1 hour. Are you sure it's safe leaving it right there? Hurry, Leo, or we will miss the train. Finally alone. Nobody is watching me right now, at all. This money is going to be all mine. I'll hide this deep inside my school bag. I'll throw this empty wallet near the gate. Too easy.
My wallet is gone. I cannot find it anywhere. I have searched this whole street twice already. I need to call the police station right now.
We will search every street near your home first. We found an empty wallet beside the school gate. Everyone, please gather quietly here in the hallway.
I actually saw something important yesterday afternoon, officer. I saw Leo holding that exact black wallet.
That is a very serious thing to claim.
I don't understand what is happening right now. I heard he stole money from an old man.
I am true leading you, Leo Chen.
I need to call his parents immediately, please.
That boy needs to return my money right now.
I promise I never took anyone's money at all. Tell me exactly what happened after school today. I found a wallet and left it by a flower pot. I believe every single word you just told me.
Nice story, Leo. Very believable, actually.
Something about the way Jake smiled feels very wrong. I am going to find out the real truth. I will follow Jake and see where he goes. That watch on his wrist looks brand new today. Now he's buying an expensive gaming headset too. Where is all of this new money coming from? Mom, I really need to tell you something important.
Let me think about this very carefully first, Anna. We need real proof before we accuse anyone, sweetheart. I'll prepare my own wallet to test this theory. I'll hide these small cameras around the school gate.
I understand the plan completely. I'm ready to help.
I'll drop this wallet exactly where Jake will see.
I'll pretend to find it first, right here.
Interesting. Let's see what happens next.
I'll just leave this wallet right here now.
Nobody around, nobody watching, nobody will know.
Every second of this is being recorded clearly.
This money is coming straight into my pocket. This empty wallet is completely useless to me now. I really am too clever for everyone here.
I have every single second saved right here.
We finally have real proof against Jake now.
I need to speak with you about something urgent.
Please gather every teacher in my office immediately.
I received your call. I'm here to help.
I really don't know why I'm even here.
Everyone, please watch this one short video carefully.
Let's watch this recording in complete silence, please.
I cannot believe what I am seeing right now.
That is clearly Jake filming Anna on camera. And now he is taking the wallet himself.
He is removing money right in front of us.
I am genuinely shocked by what just happened here.
Could we also review yesterday's school CCTV footage, please?
Of course. I'll pull that footage up now.
Let's watch exactly what happened outside the gate.
There is Leo placing the wallet by the flowers.
And there is Jake stealing it right after. Jake, I need you to explain this footage now.
I honestly don't know what you are talking about.
Here is another angle, showing your face clearly.
I'm sorry. I never meant for this to happen. I took it because I wanted nice things too.
Leo, I am truly sorry for blaming you unfairly.
We should never have doubted you, Leo, truly.
I am so sorry I shouted at you, son.
We feel really terrible for believing Jake's lie. It's okay. I'm just glad the truth came out.
I never once stopped believing you, Leo, ever.
Jake, you are suspended starting from tomorrow morning.
I will write a real apology letter tonight.
We are deeply sorry for what our son did.
I understand now that what I did was wrong.
I forgive you, Jake. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes.
This taught all of us something really important today.
Thank you, Leo, for trying to do the right thing. Please take this small reward for your honesty.
No, thank you, sir. I don't need a reward.
Then I'll donate new books to your whole school.
That is honestly such a kind thing to do.
Dinner is ready. Come sit down, everyone, please. Anna, I am so proud of your bravery today.
You handled everything so carefully and so cleverly, Anna.
Thank you for never giving up on me, Anna.
Good detectives, Leo, never ever give up looking. Next time, I'm becoming your detective partner too. Walking to school feels so much better today.
Welcome back, Leo. We are really glad you're here. I'm sorry, Leo. I really mean that today.
It's okay, Jake. Let's just start over, friend. Never judge someone before you know the whole truth. Subscribe now and tell us your favorite moment below.
Comment your thoughts. We'll see you next story.